Hello dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. Today is a special session of troubleshooting of inverse trigonometric functions. These are the difficulties asked by students. Okay, let us solve first one. We have to prove sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square equals to 2 sine inverse x, where x belongs to closed interval minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. Suppose sine inverse x equals to theta. So theta must be in range of sine inverse, that is closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So x will be equal to sine theta. Now given condition is this. Okay. X is in this closed interval. So minus 1 by root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by root 2. This can be written as sine minus pi by 4. This is sine theta and this is sine pi by 4. But sine is increasing function. So this can be written as minus pi by 4 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 4. But I need 2 theta. Why? See, 2 theta. Okay. So 2 theta. So I'm multiplying all the terms by 2. So 2 into minus pi by 4 less than or equal to 2 theta less than or equal to 2 into pi by 4. That is minus pi by 2 less than or equal to 2 theta less than or equal to pi by 2. Thus 2 theta is also in range of sine inverse. Okay. Now putting the values, left hand side equals to sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square, that is sine inverse of 2 sine theta root of 1 minus sine square theta equals to sine inverse of 2 sine theta. Root of 1 minus sine square is root of cos square, that is cos. So and we know that 2 sine theta cos theta equals to sine 2 theta. Okay. So but we know that 2 theta is in range of sine inverse. Okay. We have already proved. So this will give us identity function. So answer is 2 theta. So LHS equals to 2 theta. Putting the value of theta, it is 2 sine inverse x. That is RHS. Okay. Second one, we have to simplify this. Cot inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus x. Suppose x equals to tan theta, where theta belongs to range of tan inverse, that is open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. In that case, cot inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square minus tan. So cot inverse of root of sec square minus tan. So cot inverse of root of sec square is sec, because in fourth and first quadrant sec is positive. So sec theta minus tan theta. Now we know that cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. From that sec 2 theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. So using that here. Okay, but here there is theta, so I have to write theta by 2. So sec theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Similarly for tan theta it is minus 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So this 1 minus tan square theta by 2 is same in denominator. So just 1 plus tan square theta by 2 minus 2 tan theta by 2 in numerator. Now this is a perfect square. Can be written as bracket tan theta by 2 minus 1 whole square or bracket 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square. But here theta by 2 is between, see, theta by 2 is between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Okay, in open interval minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. And we know that in this interval tan is less than 1. So we have to write 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square. Okay, and factors of this is 1 minus tan theta by 2 and 1 plus tan theta by 2. 1 minus tan theta by 2 will be cancelled. 1 minus tan theta by 2 remaining upon 1 plus tan theta by 2. This can be written as tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta by 2. So this can be written as tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This one. Okay. Now we know that tan alpha equals to cot of pi by 2 minus alpha. So I can read the suppose this is alpha, then tan alpha can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus alpha. So cot of, now pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 minus minus plus theta by 2. Now I have to prove that this pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is in range of cot inverse, and that is open interval 0 to pi. So first of all start with this. Okay. Minus pi by 4 less than theta by 2 less than plus pi by 4. Add pi by 4 in each term. So this will become 0. This will become pi by 4 plus theta by 2, and this will become pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is pi by 2. Thus pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is in range of cot inverse. So these two will give us identity function. So I can write equals to pi by 4 plus theta by 2. That is pi by 4 plus 1 by 2. What is theta? Theta we assume, okay, tan inverse of x.